Keep watching to learn this braided updo. Start by protecting the hair using Color Wow Style on Steroids texture spray and add texture using the GHD 1.25-inch curling iron. Break up the waves and split the hair into 3 sections. The back section should consist of the majority of the hair and create a French braid along the back of the head, making sure to add hair from each side as you work your way down the back. Next, refine the hairline using the GHD 1.25-inch iron, warming the hair up and dragging the hair out to create an elongated curl. Next, we are going to take the waves and add Color Wow Style on Steroids texture spray to the front for added volume and pop and lock to refine the ends, and gently pull the sides of the hair through the center braid. This is going to create volume around the face and a nice, soft, and intricate detail through the back of the head. As you can see, I am working my way, softly pulling the hair through the center of the braid and allowing the ends to hang out. Repeat this process on both sides until the desired look is achieved. Next, pull apart the braid. This is going to use as the base of our updo. Roll the braid up and pin using bobby pins or hairpins. Make sure that this is very secure, as this is going to work as the base of our entire updo. Next, taking the pieces that we've left out, add texture spray and gently loop and lace them through to create a soft and textured updo. I love using the rope braid technique and pulling apart the braids to create a nice but refined texture. After all the ends are pinned, finish with Color Wow Extra Shine Spray. To add additional fullness through the back, I used Hidden Crown clip-in extensions, divided the extensions into 2 sections, and created a rope braid. Pulling out the edges of the rope braid creates a fuller but textured effect. Gently drape the rope braids across and over top of the previous updo created for a soft but textured look. Pin using bobby pins and make sure all the ends are tucked away for a soft romantic up style.